hey, if you feel like that your system is never really quite sparkling clean, this is the ticket. And so I have a report today on my using this Back to Natural Hydro Balance Organic Luxury Shampoo. Instantly knew that it was cleaning the hair better than what I had been using, the expensive shampoo that I had been using. But the shampoo cleaned it really, really well, so it was not heavy. It was kind of fluffy on its own. I reached for the second product, which is this Back to Natural Hydro Balance UV Plus Light Spray Leave-In Conditioner. So I grabbed this and I sprayed it on there and kind of massaged it just a little bit with my fingers and got my big tooth comb or my wet brush actually and started combing through it, and it was just like, you know, everything did just great. It smoothed right out and it was awesome. And then with this on it, I thought, well, this didn't weight it down either, but it got the tangles out and it made the hair real manageable. And so in the process of the whole thing, my conclusion was this, that I really liked it. I did. I liked the way my hair handled, which was better. It was more manageable. It wasn't as weighted down. It felt cleaner. And it looked better. The texture of it looked better. And then I also tried this Purify Spray. This is a deodorizer, if you will. And the interesting thing about it says you can spray it on hair fiber. I don't usually have a problem with any odor with my hair system because I change it pretty frequently, every 5 days or so. But it says that this can be sprayed into the room. It can be sprayed on fabric. It can be sprayed on all kinds of things. It's you know, not any animal tested, clean formula. So I would imagine if you have issues with your hair and it having an odor or whatever, if you're one of those guys that wears it like a couple of weeks, then this might really come in handy for you. So anyway, that's my talk for the day, and I hope you guys are having a good one. And I am signing out. Peace. Take care.